Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. This is Shimpo Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ang gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Aries. So Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano ang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ano kaya ang pinaka-message sa'yo ni Archangel Michael ang magbibigay sa'yo ng motivation or advices? So, this reading is general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na ang mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay for Archangel Michael messages. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Aries. Take your time making decision. So, yung sinasabi sa iyo ng ating gabay, take time to making decision. Kailangan mo raw mag-decision as soon as possible. So, let's see pa kung ano pa yung messages sa iyo. Sense of humor. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan ganyan. Mataas dapat ang sense of humor nyo, T. Para at least may mga pinagdadaanan man kayo, tinitingnan nyo pa rin yung options, yung ibang part. Kung anong side yung mas makakapagbigay sa inyo ng motivation or kumbaga, tumitingin ka sa iba pang options, no? Hindi lang dun sa bagay na yon. Kumbaga ano naman nangyayari sa'yo, masaya ka pa din. And of course, a favorable outcome, no? Papabor daw sa'yo ang eksena na to. Ngayon pa lang, kinocongratulate na kita kasi there's a favorable outcome. Pasabog ka dyan. So, let's see what is the messages for you. There's a tower moment. And of course, there's a two of swords. Okay, there's a final decision. Napag-desisyonan mo na, no? Kumbaga, tinapos mo na. Take your time making decision. Kaya pala making decision, no, T? No, napag-desisyonan mo. And of course, there's a five of swords. Naging patas ka dito, T. No? Naging patas ang laban. And of course, there is a page of cups. And of course, there is an intuition. Listen to your intuition or gut your feeling. At sinasabi sa'yo dito, Tina, may bata pa, bas bata to ata sa itong person mo, ha? Okay, what is additional messages? There's a Queen of Cups. There's an healing. And of course, additional messages. There's a Chariot card. Parating na. Parating na. Parating na ang pagbabago. Taking action. Two joining forces. Moving forward. What is the Tower moment? There's a Two of Wands. There's a decision. Napag-desisyonan mo na at kailangan mo talagang pag-isipan. No? What is the Two of Swords? Okay. There is a Page of Swords in the Death card. There's an ending and a new beginning. Kumbaga, there's a manifestation. Transformation. Kumbaga, ma-manifest mo na to, no? Napag-desisyonan mo na at talagang tinapos mo na kung ano man ang kaugnayan dito sa'yo. What is the Five of Swords? What is the Five of Swords? So, let's see. There is an Eight of Swords. Kailangan mo nang kumawala, no? Kumbaga, kumawala sa mga negativity, kumawala sa toxic family, toxic friends, or toxic environment. What is the Page of Cups? Or sinasabi sa'yo, mag-ingat-ingat ka dito, ha? Kasi baka magkaroon ng self-sabotage. Kasi lahat na nasa paligid mo ay, kumbaga, against sa'yo. Kumbaga, tinatrader ka or someone na, kumbaga, niloloko ka. And of course, there's the Sun card. There's a positive outcome. A favorable outcome is there. Kaya pala, no? Kumbaga, listen to your intuition or gut feeling. What is the Queen of Cups? What is the Queen of Cups? Angel Spirit Guides. Okay, there's a Palace of Wands. Okay, sinasabi dito natapos na ang mga burden, natapos na yung mga obligations. Kumbaga ito ay naipatayo mo na, o kumbaga may bahay ka bang pinaayos, or kumbaga may usaping bahay dito na magdadasay ng healing. And of course, kumbaga, there's a mother figure then. At the same time, baka meron kang minana ba yung ancestors or your family, no? Kumbaga baka may minana kang bahay dito. So, what is the Chariot card? There's a Six of Swords. There's a transition. Talagang, team, there's a trouble daw, ha? Kumbaga talagang maraming parating dito. No? Darating tong tao na to on the perfect timing. What is the Tower and the Two of Wands? And of course, there's a Page of Wands. There's a good news coming in for you. May magandang balita na nag-aantay sa'yo dito, ha? What is the Two of Swords? And of course, the Page of Pentacles. And of course, the Death card. Anxiety, deception. Ito yun overthinking. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan tinatapos mo na to. Yung being paranoid, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo natapusin niya kasi okay, even na kailangan mo magdesisyon at mamamanifest mo yan. Kasi may ahas daw talaga, may traitor talaga dito, Aries, no? What is the Five of Swords and the Eight of Swords? There's a Six of Wands. There's a victory and success. Don't you worry, ha? Kasi magtatagumpay ka dito in the near future. What is the Page of Cups? And the Sun card. What is the Page of Cups and the Sun card? So, there is a Five of Pentacles. Kumbaga, there's a temporary financial loss. No? And of course, there's a Queen of Swords. There's an information. Bigger feature of yourself. Parang, kumbaga, napag-desisyon mo na. Kumbaga, tanaw na tanaw mo na. Malayo pa lang alam mo na yung sasagot mo. At alam mo na kung ano yung pagdidesisyonan mo, ano yung decision mo. So, what is the Chariot and the Six of Swords? Okay. There's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person. May taong parating talaga, handa kang ipaglaban. Handang sumuong sa hamon ng buhay. So, what is the Tower, the Two of Wands, and the Page of Wands? Parang gusto ko pang i-clear out to bago ako mag-overall. There is a Ten of Swords. So, I told you, may backstabbing talaga, Itong balita na sa'yo na magdadala sa'yo ng, kumbaga malalaman mo yung revelasyon. Kung sino talaga yung ang traitor, kung bakit nasira, no? O kung bakit may mga bagay na nawala sa'yo. The Two of Wands. Guys, kailangan mo na magdesisyon na kailangan mo nang kumawala dito. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a 10 of coin, there's a long-term success and long-term investment. Kumbaga, ito yung favorable outcome. Kumbaga, protectionan mo yun ng grounds mo kasi makukuha mo what you deserve. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, tanggalin mo na yung overthinking, tanggalin mo na anxiety na yan, or yung fear. Kumbaga, at the end of the time, maipapanalo mo to. Kumbaga, ito yung sense of humor na sinasabi, huwag ka na mag-attract ng mga negative energy, bago solusyonan mo kung ano may problema pinagdaanan mo. So, what is the Five of Swords, the Eight of Swords, the Six of Wands? Okay, there's a Knight of Pentacles. And of course, the Hangman, pagbuhin mo yung perspective mo, baguhin mo yung ginagawa mo o yung cycle mo. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, kaya ka tinatrader kasi open ka eh. Open ka sa mga questions, open ka sa mga information. Kumbaga ginagamit yung information na yun, kaya parang, kumbaga napakaluwag mo kasi, no, sa pagbibigay ng informasyon, kaya nagagamit nila. At the same time, yung mga bagay na nagsisinungaling sa'yo, kumbaga sinisiraan ka. No? Kumbaga, kailangan maging practical ka na dito. Baguhin mo na yung mindset or baguhin mo na yung perspective mo. The word card represent, kumbaga, ang dami nakapalibot sa'yo. Puro kasinungalingan, puro traidor. No? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, the word card, there's an trouble, and of course, there's information in all aspects na ibibigay sa'yo ng ating kapalaran. Parang sinasabi sa'yo dito, maging practical ka sa lahat ng eksena, sa lahat ng sistema, sa lahat ng aspect, sa lahat ng bagay. What is the Page of Cups, the Sun card, and the Five of Swords, Five of Coin? And of course, there's an Emperor. Be mature, no? Be grounded. And of course, stability, control. Kumbaga, kailangan na hindi ka masusulsulan, hindi ka mabubuyo, o hindi ka mabubudol dito. No? Wala ka na ibang pakikinggan kundi ang sarili mo. No? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, ginagamit ka ng tao na to, kumbaga, para magkaroon ng self-sabotage. No? Kumbaga, para sabuhay mo yung sarili mo, para mailagay mo yung sarili mo sa alanganin. What is the Queen of Cups and of course the Palace of Wands? There's a Queen of Swords. There's a Three of Cups. There's a third party involved. Kumbaga marami talagang kumbaga cycle of friends, kumbaga family friends, family related, and of course about sa kumbaga etong tao, kumbaga there's a relationship na magpapatunay sa atilili, parang bigla kaya angat nitong person na to. No? Parang dito yung pabor, dito sa'yo papabor ang eksena eh. About sa love life. See, Ace of Swords, there's a breakthrough. I told you. Kumbaga, this is your moment. Breakthrough is a momentum, no? Kumbaga, spotlight. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na, dito parating na yung taong magsasalba sa'yo mula sa pagkabigo. So, what is the total outcome? Okay, there's a Four of Wands, celebration, and of course, there's a wedding. Meron talagang parating na celebration at talaga magpapatunay sa'yo na totoong pag-ibig. And of course, there's a Seven of Coins, harvest time, di ba? Pagkatapos mo mabigo, pagkatapos mo masawi, this is your moment to shine. And of course, there's an Ace of Coin up the power of the deck. Kumbaga, there's a new offer, new material offer, new promotions, or new opportunities. This is your moment. Kumbaga, nabigo ka man sa family mo, nabigo ka man sa kaibigan mo, nabigo ka man sa lahat na sa paligid mo, may taong darating para isalba ang buhay mo, lalo na ang pagkatao mo. So, let's see, guys. What is the angel's number? So exciting, no? What is the angel's number? Okay, ang dami ha. Nismo sa Maya. Let's see pa. O ganon, dami nun. Okay. Ay, dami talaga niya gusto sabihin, ti. Okay. There is 27 and of course therefore. Oh, wow. Ay, alakas ang energy, ha? For 11-11, guys. Itatak nyo na dyan, 11-11. Celebration is coming your way. And kasi sinasabi dito, the universe is arranging people and experience on your path to help you succeed and helping you to wake up to who you truly are, no? Talagang ginigising ka, awaken eh. Kumbaga, ginigising ka sa katotohanan na, kumbaga, tinrider ka man, sinira ka man ng mga tao sa paligid mo, ng mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo. Kumbaga, may taong magsasalba sa'yo mula sa pagkabigo. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a 27. I am expressive, no? Your mind is a wide open and you are a tolerant and compassionate towards all ways of life. You value freedom of expression and want to improve the conditions of people, whether in your community, country, and of the world and Lord. See? Kumbaga, nai-impress mo sila, tiye, na parang napapahanga mo sila. Kumbaga, kaya pala, no? Kumbaga, kaya kanila sinisiraan at kaya nila pinipilit pabagsakin. Kasi napaka-talented mo, no? Napaka-generous mo. Kumbaga, napaka-creativity mo pati. Kumbaga, you have a creator. And of course, you have a manipulator and manifestation, no? Kumbaga, ang galing mo dito. Kumbaga, kaya ka pala inggitin at kaya ka pala ginagawa ng eksena kasi, kumbaga, kinain sila sa kainggitan nila, ti. Kapag inggit, pikit. Diyos ko. What is the energy? Corconopia. Ibig sabihin dito, kumain ka naman sa sustansya pagkain, ha? And of course, adjustment possibilities. May mga pinto ang magsasara at may pinto ang magbubukas para sa'yo. At the same time, sinasabi rin sa'yo ng ating angel spirit, caring connection. I told you. Lakada talaga, ti. Meron talagang love life na darating sa buhay mo na isasalba ka mula sa pagkabigo. Lakas ang energy mo dito, ha? Nanggigigil talaga ako. So, what is additional messages? Yung kamahal, alam mo yung, talagang, inano ka, yung sinira ka, tinraidor ka, kumbaga, tapos mararamdaman mo kung paano ka isalba ng taong magmamahal sa'yo. Yung mamahalin ka, even your flaws, no? Sarap. Padama. What is angel's messages? Charis. Yung asawa mo, mapapatingin sa'yo. My goodness. At the same time, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a discipline. Ayan na, no? Pinapasok na dito yung disiplina. No? Kailangan mo magkaroon ng disiplina sa sarili mo. No? Matuto ka na sa mga pinagdaanan mo. What is the Love Oracle card? At the same time, sinasabi dito, there's a clock. Need time. Takes time. And of course, time to heal. And there's a progress. Pasabog. Diba? Sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo, this is your time. And this is your moment to shine. What is the Monsology? Grabe yung pinagdaanan mo, no? Tinrider ka na ng lahat, pero may taong handa kang iangat. And of course, a fair climax approaches. No? Kumbaga, nasa exciting part ka na, T. Hold your visions. No? Pangalagaan mo kung ano yung paniniwala o pananaw mo. No? Panghawakan mo yung kung ano yung nakikita mo. What is additional messages? And time to decide. Talagang may decision making talaga dito, T. No? Kailangan mong pakawalan at kailangan mong bitawan kahit na kung sino man sila sa buhay mo. No? Minsan talaga may kailangan kang lumayo o kailangan mong umalis, no? Lalo-lalo sa family mo para lang mapatunayan mo sa kanila na mali ang desisyon nila at mali yung ginagawa nila sa iyo. No, there's a crystal, and of course, your connection to crystal and gemstone is a channel for healing energy. So, makakatulong daw yung crystal stone, ha, yung dyan gemstone. Like amethyst, yung citrine, yun of course, yung tiger eye, no? Yung mga yan, makakatulong yan for you, for healing. And of course, there's an abundance coming in. Taray. May mga pasabog at bulabog talaga sa'yo dito, T. And there's a passion, no? Ipakita mo kung ano yung kakayanan mo at ipakita mo yung katangian mo bilang isang tao. Yung personality mo, T. Ilahad mo, ihubarin mo sila sa eksena na yun. Ipakita mo sa kanila kung gaano kakaganda, inside and out. And there's a renewal, no? Parang bubuhayin ka ulit ng panibagong eksena. There's a new horizontal coming into you. Pasabog ka dito, no? What is additional messages? And go for it. T, reaching for your goal dreams. Go for it. Ilaban mo daw, te, no? Ngayon pa lang magdesisyon ka na. Ilaban mo. And astral travel. Dream time soul travel. No? Kailangan mong panindigan at kailangan mo nang kumawala. And daydream. There's a dream and dream. So, ibig sabihin dito, marami ditong dreams, no? Daydream, night dream, kumbaga, kumbaga, pinapakita sa by intuitions, by spirituality. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? Jesus loving quote said, take therefore no thoughts for the morrow shall take thought for the things itself. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga hayaan mo yung kinabukasan na magpakita sa'yo, no? Na magandang kahihinatnan o yung kinabukasan yung magpapakita sa'yo na magandang bukas na nakalaan para sa'yo. Huwag mong madaliin, hayaan mong takes time at hayaan mong dumaloy yung mga bagay-bagay sa sarili mong mga palad. Hindi ka pwedeng magmadali at hindi ka pwedeng kumbaga magdesisyon agad-agad. Kailangan mong pag-isipan. Pero this time, taking decision and time to decide, no? Kailangan mong pakawalan at kailangan mong bitawan. Kailangan mong humarap sa bukas o kinabukasan na darating sa buhay mo. Kung hindi ka magdidesisyon, T, ngayon pa lang, walang magbabago sa buhay mo. And of course, sinasabi dito, crossing into the light. Today, I face a new bridge that I must cross on my journey to inner transformation. Today, like every day, I will practice the law of universal love. Thus, I will deal with current situation in positive way, so that I continue to grow and evolve. As I cross this bridge on my way towards the light, I reminded of true meaning of life. Ngayon nakita mo yung kahulugan ng buhay, no? Kumbaga yung ang klase talaga ng buhay, kumbaga, kung sino pa yung mga taong pangahawakan mo o sasandalan mo, yung pantaong magpapabagsak sa'yo, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, na wala talaga sa kung sinong tao man yan, no? Na taong makakatulong sa'yo. Kung sino pa yung mga taong kadugo mo, yung mga taong kasama mo, kung sino pa yung mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo, siya pa yung sisira sa'yo. No? Sinasabi sa'yo dito, kailangan mo lang maging maingat at magdesisyon sa mga bagay-bagay para sa sarili mong kapakanan. So, this is your moment. So, this is your time. No? You need to do something to to new beginning, no? Baguhin mo ang sistema at baguhin mo ang patakaran ng buhay mo. At sinasabi, kaya pala there's a favorable outcome. Kumbaga, ang dami mong pinagdaanan, sa sakripisyo, pighati, at talaga kalugmukan, at the end of the time, talaga magiging maligaya at masaya ka, no? Kumbaga, kaya pala sinasabi sense of humor, sa dami mong pinagdaanan, nandun pa rin yung ligaya sa huli. Para siyang bittersweet, no? There's a bittersweet. Maraming salamat. So, this is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Aries. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!